Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we will acquire the knowledge to construct a two-dimensional net and three-dimensional model of cube. We will also understand the basic difference between the total surface area and the lateral surface area by finding them out practically. From our IntelliSmart box, take out the surface area sheets, geometry box, glue and marker. Cube shape objects you will see in everyday life. It include Rubik's cube, dice, sugar cube, cubicles, carton boxes, etc. Take out 4 red colored square cards with flaps, 2 red color square cards without flaps, glue, marker and ruler from our IntelliSmart box. Firstly, we will measure the sides of the square cards of different type with the help of ruler to ensure the similarity of square cards used for the preparation of cube model. It's 7 cm excluding the flaps. Again, it's 7 cm. Here we are using the square cards of side 7 cm each excluding the flaps. Now place the square cards with flaps together and put the marking on them as 1, 3, 5 and 6 on both sides. And on square cards without flaps, put the marking on them as 2 and 4 on both sides. Fold the square cards with flaps along these lines drawn on them on both sides. Join the square cards marked as 1 and 2 by using glue. Then join the square cards 2 and 3 by using glue. Next, apply the glue on the bottom side of the square card 3 to join it with square card 4. Now place the square card 5 and 6 on the 2 free sides of the square card 2 and join them by using glue. At this stage, your 2D net for forming the cube model is ready. Now flip it over. Fold the square card 3 and 4 together and the square card 5 and join the square card 3 and 5 by using glue. Similarly, fold the square card 6 and join it with the square card 3. Now fold the square card 1 and join it with the free sides of square card 5 and 6. Finally, join the square card 4 with the free sides of the square cards 1, 6 and 5. Here now our 3D cube model is ready to use. A cube has 6 faces, out of which 4 are lateral faces like the wall of the room, 1 top face like the ceiling of the room and 1 bottom face like floor of the room. Here the dimension of all the 6 square faces are exactly equal. Visualize the cube model by assuming it as a cubicle room, for which let's call Bunny who lives in this room. Now open it up. And see the faces 1, 6, 3 and 5 They act as the wall of the room, phase 4 as the ceiling of the room, and phase 2 as the floor of the room. So in order to find out the total surface area of the room, we will consider all the faces, which includes 4 walls, ceiling and floor. Total surface area of a cube is defined as the area of all 6 faces of it. Here, all the faces are squares of equal dimension. Therefore, the total surface area is equals to 6 as a square, where S is the length of the side of cube. Number of faces in cube is equals to 6. Length of each side of square face is equals to 7 centimeter. So, the area of one face is equals to 7 multiplied by 7, that is equals to 7 square, which is 49 centimeter square. Area of 6 faces is equals to 6 multiplied by 49, that is equals to 294 centimeter square. Therefore, the total surface area of cube is equals to 294 centimeter square. Now, remove the ceiling and floor of the room. It's left with 4 faces, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are also called as the lateral faces of cube. Lateral surface area of a cube is defined as the area of all of its lateral faces. Therefore, lateral surface area is equals to 4s square, where s is the length of the side of cube. Number of lateral faces in cube is equals to 4. Length of each side of a square face is equals to 7 centimeter. Area of one face is equals to 7 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 7 square or 49 centimeter square. So, the area of 4 lateral faces is equals to 4 multiplied by 49, that is equals to 196 centimeter square. Therefore, the lateral surface area of cube is equals to 196 centimeter square. In the similar manner, you can perform this activity to practically understand the basic difference between the total surface area and lateral surface area of cube models, which have square faces of different dimensions. Hope you have enjoyed it. We are sure that after performing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: preparing the 2-dimensional net of a cube to construct a 3-dimensional model of a cube, practically understanding the basic difference between the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cube, and to calculate the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cube. Visualize maths with Allen IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.